We continue from question 7, 2021, paper 1, grade 12. 7a states matrix M is equal to -2, 3, 4, -2. Find the transpose of M. The transpose of a matrix is found by interchanging rows and columns. If you look at matrix M, we have the matrix which is -2, 3, 4, and -2. So this is what we call row number 1. Then this is row number 2. Then this is column number 1, and this is column number 2. So if we want to find the transpose, you just say transpose of matrix M is equal to, you open the bracket, then you say row number 1 will be column number 1. So you interchange row number 1, we have -2 and 3, so it will become column number 1. Then you say row number 2 will become column number 2, so it will be row number 2 becoming column number 2. So this is what we call the transpose of a matrix. It is a matrix found by interchanging rows and columns. We move to B. B, they are saying matrix P is that one, and Q is also given. Find PQ. Find PQ means multiply P by Q. So you copy the way the matrices have been given. You say PQ is equal to 2, -1, 0, 3 multiplied by -1, 3. When you are multiplying matrices, the first thing that you do is to state the order. So you first state the order of the two matrices. So you have matrix 1, which has a row number 1, 2 by column 1, 2. So the first matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then the second matrix has 2 rows, 1, 2 by column 1. If you compare these two, they are equal, it means multiplication is possible. Then our product is going to have 2 by 1 order. So the answer will look like this. Stating the order is very important because it will help you determine the order of the product, the order of the answer that you are looking for. So we can now multiply row by column. So I want you to pay attention. If you look at row number 1 has 2 and -1, then the column has -1 and 3. So the first entry will be multiplied by the first entry. The second entry in a row will be multiplied by the second entry in a column. So the answer will be, then we start the business, we say 2 multiplied by -1, 2 multiplied by -1, plus, why are we adding? Because the entries are still intact. We have -1 and we also have 3. So again, you multiply -1 by 3. If we had another column, we would have multiplied it by the same row, but now a column. So the best you do is just to close the bracket. You come to row number 2. Row number 2 has 0 and 3. We are going to multiply it by the O column, -1 and 3. So the first entry is 0 in the row, multiplied by the first entry in the column, -1, plus the second entry is 3, multiplied by the second entry in the column, 3. Then we can add. So we are saying 2 multiplied by -1, the answer is -2, plus -1 multiplied by 3, the answer is -3. Then below you have 0 multiplied by -1, the answer is 0, plus 3 multiplied by 3, the answer is 9. When adding integers with the same sign, keep the sign and add the numbers. So you keep the sign, then you say 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. 0 plus 9, we know it is 9. So if you check the order of this product, you are going to find out that we have 2 rows and 1 column, which means our prediction has become a reality. So this is how you multiply matrices, and this is how we are supposed to do it. Mwenda Wilson, we continue in the next video. Thank you.